fans, and welcome back to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we bring you M64813 that we captured back on December 15th. This one is a daily manifest that makes its way north from Waycross, Georgia up to Chicago's Clearing Yard. And it's going to have CSXT 1836 and 959 up front with 988 as a mid-train DPU. So the 1836 is the RF&P Heritage Unit. It's only the second time I've seen it. The first time was down at Wilson Pike Circle near Brentwood, and did not have success. My phone, it was back during the warmer months, and my phone had overheated and would not start capturing video. I had the drone in the air, but did not have it in place. The train kind of got there faster than we expected. And so while we captured it, it wasn't great footage. So this was my second attempt to hopefully get a clean view of it. Did pretty good. Used the drone primarily. Used the camera on the ground for audio. But we got pretty good image of it coming across the bridge across Briley, making its way north into Madison, Tennessee. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. We'll be back soon with a new video for you.
Should be a line at the steps. I'll get you picked up once you make the cut.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.